This video compares iMovie and Final Cut Pro. Choosing the right video editor can transform your editing workflow and output quality without overwhelming complexity. We'll look at both Apple's beginner-friendly iMovie and the professional-grade Final Cut Pro. iMovie and Final Cut Pro are both Apple video editors, but serve different needs. iMovie is designed for simplicity and quick edits, while Final Cut Pro offers advanced features and professional control. The core difference lies in their complexity and depth of editing tools. iMovie is Apple's free video editing software available on macOS and iOS. It provides an intuitive interface ideal for beginners or casual users who want to create polished videos quickly. iMovie includes essential tools like drag and drop timeline editing, built-in transitions, titles, and basic color correction. It supports 4K video and integrates seamlessly with Apple devices, making it easy to import clips from iPhone or iPad. The software also offers ready-made themes and soundtracks to enhance projects without extra effort. However, iMovie has limitations. It lacks advanced features like multicam editing, detailed color grading, or extensive effects, which professionals often require. It's best suited for users creating home videos, social media content, or simple presentations who prioritize ease of use over professional-grade control. Final Cut Pro is Apple's professional video editing software, designed for filmmakers, content creators, and video professionals. It offers a powerful magnetic timeline, advanced color grading tools, multicam editing, and support for HDR and 360-degree video. Final Cut Pro leverages Apple's Metal engine for fast rendering and smooth playback, even with complex projects. It supports a wide range of formats and integrates with motion and compressor for effects and encoding. The interface is more complex than iMovie's but customizable to fit different workflows. While it requires a steeper learning curve and a paid license, Final Cut Pro delivers industry-level capabilities, including advanced audio editing, keyframing, and third-party plugin support. It's ideal for users who need detailed control over every aspect of their video, from color correction to effects, and want to produce broadcast quality or cinematic content. Choosing between iMovie and Final Cut Pro depends on your editing needs and experience. iMovie excels in simplicity and speed, perfect for quick edits or beginners who want good results without complexity. It's ideal for casual projects like family videos or social media posts. On the other hand, Final Cut Pro offers a comprehensive toolset for professionals who demand precision and advanced features. It handles large projects, complex edits, and high-end workflows with ease. The trade-off is that Final Cut Pro requires time to learn and a financial investment, whereas iMovie is free and straightforward. For example, a YouTuber starting out may prefer iMovie for its ease, while a professional videographer or filmmaker will benefit from Final Cut Pro's depth and flexibility. Both integrate well within the Apple ecosystem, but your choice hinges on balancing ease versus capability. Choose iMovie if you want a free, user-friendly editor for quick, polished videos without advanced features or a steep learning curve. Opt for Final Cut Pro if you need professional tools, detail control, and high-performance editing for complex or cinematic projects. Its robust features justify the investment for serious creators aiming for broadcast quality results within the Apple ecosystem.